My name is Ahmad Nasruddin bin Abdul Talib, student ID EP0107521. So for this video, I will present to you guys about the flip-flop. So basically, there are four type of flip-flop. There is SR flip-flop, which is here, D flip-flop, JK flip-flop, and T flip-flop. But so for the first video, I will focus on the SR flip-flop and and, and explain to you guys on how the SR flip-flop function. So from the truth table here, there are clock. SR is input, Q and Q0 is the output and the operation. So the clock is here is functioning as a trigger source. So whenever the clock is positive edge trigger or rising edge, that is the time the clock is trigger. That is the time trigger happens from the flip flop for the flip flop. So for SR, when both input is 0 and 0, so the operation of this SR flip flop is hold. Which holds mean the output here is the output that is stored from the chip before. So the simulation is when the chip store previous output store in the chip is 1, so the output is 1. So what if the output is previous store is 0? So if S and R is 0, the output is 0 for Q. So if reset means the value of Q is 0. So if S is 0 and R is 1, so I trigger the clock. The output always be 0 because of reset. So if I keep change the clock to high, the output always 0. And for S is 1 and R is 0, the operation of the SR flip-flop is 1. So if I trigger the clock, so the clock will trigger the chip and the output is 1. So if in the SR flip-flop, if S and R is 1 1, the operation is indeterminate. So it's not functioning because SR flip-flop cannot handle the because this means the operation cannot be handled by the SR flip-flop. So that is all for the SR flip-flop.